We all know universal seat covers usually look baggy and cheap, but this set claims to bring Nappa leather luxury and custom comfort to almost any car, from a 2000 Camry to a brand new SUV. That's a huge promise, so let's see if the JXTH front set actually delivers on this premium experience. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the material. They call it top-grade faux leather, and while it's not genuine Nappa, the texture and feel are genuinely impressive for a synthetic product. The black and gray color scheme is sharp and immediately elevates the interior look. But the real selling point here is the 360-degree coverage. This isn't just a slip-on bib. It fully encapsulates the entire seat, sides, bottom, and back, which is essential for achieving that near-custom, factory-installed appearance and preventing dirt from migrating underneath. Now, let's talk comfort, because this is where these covers really stand out. They are packed with thick, high-density foam cushioning. This alone makes a difference, but JXTH went a step further by integrating high-resilience memory foam into the headrest and the lumbar support cushions. If you spend any significant time driving, that personalized lumbar support is a massive win. It transforms the seating experience from standard to truly comfortable, making long commutes much more bearable. Durability is also key. Since it's a high-quality faux leather, it provides a robust, waterproof barrier. Spills, stains, and general wear and tear are easily wiped away, protecting your original upholstery from fading and moisture damage. And crucially, they've maintained safety standards. These covers are designed to be airbag compatible and allow full access to seat belts, which is non-negotiable for any modern vehicle accessory. Installation is often the nightmare part of seat covers, but JXTH promises a simple and quick setup. While achieving that full 360-degree wrap does require a little patience, the clear instructions and available online video make the process straightforward. It's definitely manageable for a single person in under an hour. Overall, if you need serious protection for your front seats and are looking for a major comfort upgrade without the expense of custom upholstery, this JXTH front set is a fantastic choice. It delivers on the luxury look, provides superior comfort through the memory foam padding, and offers robust, full-coverage protection. It's a genuine interior upgrade disguised as a seat cover.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.